Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. I woke up today feeling good, so blessed, so thankful to feel good this morning. I was able to do some cleaning, decluttering, and organizing yesterday, so it feels good to wake up to a clean house. So today I'm going to be working on some meal prep and some recipes for the following week. For the first meal that we meal prepped was grilled chicken and veggies. My idea was this was going to put these on kebabs for the grill, but then I realized I didn't have any kebabs. I couldn't find them. So we ended up just grilling them on the grill and they turned out perfect. They were absolutely delicious. This was probably my favorite meal. I love grilled chicken and I love grilled veggies on our Blackstone grill. I made a quick and easy marinade, which is olive oil, garlic paste, salt, pepper, lemon juice, and our Weber's steak and chop seasoning. You can see here I made a double batch, one for the veggies and one for the chicken. Anytime you cook with fresh lemons and you're going to roast something or grill, make sure you put the lemon in the oven or the grill. When they come out, they're absolutely delicious and the flavor is just more enhanced and they become a little bit sweeter. And then you can just squeeze the juice from the lemon on your finished meal and it just takes it to a whole new level. When my husband went to grill these, he was like, should I take this plastic sticker off this lemon before I throw it in the grill? Somehow or another, I missed that sticker when I was washing my lemons that day. So here's our finished product. Again, this meal was absolutely delicious. I could eat this every meal. Of course, use your favorite veggies that you like. Anything will work with this meal. So up next, we're going to make some dressed eggs. Okay, y'all, so I learned the secret to hard-boiled eggs is to, put them in a pot of cold water, bring it up to a boil, and as soon as it comes to a boil, you turn your stove off, cover it with a lid, and set a timer for 15 minutes. And these will come out perfect every time, whether you want them for boiled eggs or for dressed eggs. And they will peel perfectly for you every time. I've always had so much trouble getting these darn things to peel. Usually by the time I get done peeling it, I've got like half of an egg left. And it's just a mess. But my mama taught me, as soon as they come to a boil, put a lid on, cover it for 15 minutes, and then drain them. And then of course put them in cold water for a few times. And then let them sit in cold water for about 5 minutes, and they'll peel for you perfect every time. So I lost my footage of the ingredients and everything that I put in my dressed eggs, but I'll leave the recipe below. I also whipped up some homemade hummus for the week to snack on. I will leave the recipe below for that as well. So next up for our meal prep is burgers. My husband thought I was kind of crazy to go ahead and patty these out and season them, but when the time came for him to grill, because you've had a long work day, it was so easy these patties were already made. I separated them with wax paper, and it was so easy just to plop them on the grill, and you didn't have to worry about forming them, getting your hands dirty, and you just had a quick meal super fast. While he was grilling the burgers, I threw some fries in the oven, and I ended up making some homemade ranch dressing with our tofu sour cream, bacon bits, and with his, of course, I put cheese on it. The only thing I wish I had different with these cheesy fries was some good old green onions. So then I decided to make our favorite cookie, which is Snickerdoodles. It's a very quick and easy cookie. If you like soft, chewy cookie with cinnamon and vanilla, you will absolutely love this cookie as well. I was getting a close-up of the cookies when they come out of the oven here, so you can see they come out very thick, but then as the cookies cool, they do fall a little bit, so I just wanted to show you that's totally normal if that happens to you. So then I prepped some pork chops with some garlic butter rice. That way we could have a quick, easy supper, and I just threw in some canned peas and carrots on the side that night for supper. I was tickled pink when I found these ranch packets at my local Kroger that did not have dairy in them. I will probably be using these in every meal because I love ranch, and it's very hard to find anything with ranch that does not have dairy in it. I ended up mixing the ranch because that Frank's Red Hot Ranch dip is pretty spicy. I like spice, but I can't handle a lot of spice, so I ended up just putting a little bit of that in there just to give it a little bit of kick, and I just simply mixed those ranch packets with olive oil and put the pork chops in it, and that was it. Quick and easy. So for the side with the ranch pork chops, I just made some garlic butter minute rice. I ended up doubling the amount of rice that I was going to use because I was going to use rice in another dish for some chicken. When the rice was cooked, I just added some butter, my garlic paste, salt and pepper, and dried Italian seasoning. Of course, if you don't have the garlic paste, you can use fresh garlic or garlic powder, and it will still be delicious. So with the other half of the rice, I wanted to make like a Santa Fe rice to go with some chicken. So I sauteed some of our favorite veggies, onions, mushrooms, bell peppers, and with some olive oil, salt, and pepper, and then I mixed up some spices together. For the seasoning, I used a teaspoon of each: salt, black pepper, garlic powder, cumin, paprika, and chili powder. Then once all the veggies were soft and tender, I added a half a can of diced tomatoes. Of course, if you make a bigger batch of this, then you'll use more veggies and more diced tomatoes and more rice, however much you need to feed your family. And that's it. And then you just add your cooked rice into that and let everybody get together and marry and become one. If you like what you see so far, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for future videos. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you will get notified each time I put up a video. So all we had to do on the night that we had these was Jay just grilled pork chops out on the grill. I heated up some peas and carrots out of a can, and I threw on the rice, and that was it. Meal prepping on the weekend comes in so handy when it just takes minutes to get food on the table on a busy work week. So the next night we ended up having our oven roasted chicken with that Santa Fe rice that we prepared earlier. So for the marinade for our chicken, we have bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, and I add a tablespoon of oil and juice of a lemon, and then I just use the McCormick seasoning with salt and let that marinate, and it is absolutely delicious. So on the night that you go to prepare it, all you have to do is roast your chicken and heat up your rice that you already prepared, and you have a great meal. To show y'all one of my favorite things to eat for breakfast is those dressed eggs with sliced tomatoes on the side. So on Friday we had pizza crescent rolls. They're so easy, there's really no prep involved at all. You just take your crescent rolls, fill them with your favorite cheese and pepperoni, roll them up, brush them with butter, garlic, and dried Italian seasoning, and bake them according to the package. And that's it, guys. That's 5 nights of dinners. It's quick and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.